Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out my video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did have a pretty good push down today. We still don't have a break of structure to the downside. I would actually expect this move down because of how impulsive and how it is lower lows, lower highs for sure. I would expect this move down to probably be a wave A of an ABC correction. It probably is going to start making its way up, but most likely the next move up will be a correction to the move down like a wave B, and then we'll probably see another push down for a wave C. Now sometimes what we think are wave Bs will just keep on trending up like that, especially with the fact that this could even be like an expanding, ABC correction like this. So I definitely, if you do get like a, that 3-4-5 shape with the breaker structure to the upside, I would look for longs in this wave B. And if it actually ends up just continuing the uptrend, that's going to be like a bonus trade. If you actually think it's a wave B, what's a wave B is a correction to the wave A. So either way, definitely looking very bullish on the very high time frames. I would expect to see a wave B next, but if it turns into the continuation of the uptrend, that's even better. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.